In preparation for the much-awaited release of the Galaxy S25 early in the next year, Samsung seems to be making some intriguing announcements. According to rumors, the phone will get a major makeover that will give it a sleek, contemporary appearance. In terms of performance, the Galaxy S25 is expected to be powered by either the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip or the Exynos 2500, depending on the country. Both chips are expected to deliver impressive power, but the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 is said to have an incredibly powerful GPU that will take mobile gaming and graphics to new heights. The firm that creates the Snapdragon chip, Qualcomm, interestingly decided to redesign the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 design after seeing Apple's upcoming M4 chip earn impressive single-core test results. In order to compete with Apple's premium M series and A series chips, Qualcomm intends to boost the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4's clock speed from 4 to an astounding 4.26 GHz. It is noteworthy that Qualcomm has opted to collaborate with TSMC, a top foundry, in order to produce the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 using their advanced second-generation 3M manufacturing node. Apple's M4 component and the A18 and A18 Pro chipsets for the upcoming iPhone 16 range will be produced by TSMC on the same manufacturing node. In terms of chip manufacture, this suggests a strong rivalry between the two tech giants, yet, Qualcomm's redesign has a little downside. Because Qualcomm's flagship chip lacks the technology that allows processors like Apple's M4 to do complicated tasks more effectively, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 will be built on the Snapdragon X Elite laptop processor, which regrettably does not support the RMV9 instruction. This could have an effect on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4's overall performance in comparison to its rivals. In summary, the Galaxy S25 seems to be a promising device from Samsung, including a new appearance and strong performance. It will be fascinating to observe how it compares against Apple's products and how the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip holds up in practical applications. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.